The 2025 Nissan Ariya has been making waves in the electric SUV market, and today I'm getting hands-on with this impressive electric crossover to see what all the buzz is about. This isn't just another EV trying to copy Tesla, it's packing some seriously impressive tech and a design that'll make you do a double take. But here's the question everyone's asking: does it actually deliver where it counts? I'm taking a close look at the 2025 Nissan Ariya today, and I've got to say, this electric crossover has been turning heads for all the right reasons. We're talking dual 12.3-inch screens, up to 389 horsepower, and some of the most elegant interior design Nissan has ever created. Stay with me, because I'm about to break down everything you need to know about this electric game-changer. Let's start with what hits you first: the looks. The Ariya has this sleek, almost futuristic design that doesn't scream, "Look at me, I'm electric," like some other EVs. It's understated but sophisticated, with clean lines and that distinctive Nissan grille that houses all the sensors for the safety tech. Step inside and you're greeted by what might be Nissan's best cabin ever. We're talking premium materials, this gorgeous wood trim strip that runs the full width of the dashboard, and those haptic controls embedded right into it. It feels way more upscale than the price suggests. Speaking of tech, those dual 12.3-inch displays are crisp and responsive. You've got wireless Apple CarPlay standard now, wireless charging across all trims, and Nissan's ProPILOT Assist that actually makes stop-and-go traffic bearable. Now let's talk performance. The base front-wheel drive model pushes out 238 horsepower, which is respectable. But if you want the real excitement, the top-spec Platinum Plus with all-wheel drive delivers a punchy 389 horsepower. Nissan claims 0 to 60 in just 4.8 seconds. That'll pin you back in your seat. Range is where things get interesting. The Evolve Plus trim maxes out at 289 miles on a full charge, which puts it in solid competition with the Tesla Model Y. However, charging speeds are just average compared to some rivals, so that's something to consider. The simplified trim lineup for 2025 makes choosing easier. You've got Engage, Engage Plus, Evolve Plus, and Platinum Plus. Prices start at just under $40,000, but climb to around $55,000 for the fully loaded version. The bottom line: the 2025 Nissan Ariya proves that you don't need to sacrifice style or comfort to go electric. It's refined, well-equipped, and offers genuine luxury touches at a competitive price point. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more honest car reviews. What electric SUV should I check out next? Drop your suggestions in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring those electric possibilities. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.